Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to give a confident interview. Make sure you watch this video till the end. If you like this video, press like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon which notifies you whenever there is a new content available. So I have had questions from many people who ask me that can you please make a video on how to give a confident interview. So I thought I'll take this time today and give you some inputs that I have. First of all, I think you have to have a very good presentation of your skills and your achievements. So one of the first things I do when I help my clients is that you have to have a one-page resume, not more than that. Because when somebody who is hiring is looking at different bunch of resumes, they don't have time to go through pages of resumes. Try to shrink your resume, highlighting the best achievements you have to a single page. And on that page, the usual structure that I recommend is have your email and your phone number at the very top so they know who you are and how to reach out to you. And the second thing is have a single line in the beginning which tells you that you are an upbeat initiator who wants to go out and get things done. So have that single line which presents you in the best light of being an upbeat initiator, go-getter with a killer instinct who will get the job done. Then after that, I like to recommend, if you're a student and you don't have the job experience, I usually say have the education section and then highlight the best things you've done there. But if you have more than 5 years of job experience, I recommend that you should have your work experience first and education at the end. Because after 5 years of industry experience, what matters is what you have done in those 5 years. A person changes in 5 years. So you want to show how you have developed in those 5 years. And then one more section I recommend usually is to have a leadership section. The leadership section gives the hiring manager an insight that you have led a team of people. You know how to make people work together so that they can solve problems as a team. Team building is a very important skill, and leadership hence is also a very, very important skill that is needed for every job, no matter what you are doing and where you are applying. So have a section of leadership somewhere on the top, on the upper half of your resume, so the person can look at it as soon as he looks at your resume. Another section I say after that is the achievement section, where you highlight all the things that you've achieved. This is the section where you want to bombard with everything you've achieved. Don't leave anything out. You've done this, you've done that, you've done this, you've done that, you're the superstar. That's what you want to highlight. So have all the achievements in just bullet points. Well, if you're doing it one-page resume, there won't be any space for paragraphs. And then I suggest that you also have a section for hobbies. Your extracurricular activities will tell the person that you have a casual side. You're not just work. You also know how to play. That tells the hiring person that you have an overall round personality and you have passions that you like to do. You have a creativity side. So have a section for hobbies. For example, for me, I like to do swimming. I like to do workouts. I like to read books on business and psychology. I like to play guitar. And so different things, like have that section somewhere after your achievement because it completes your resume. It gives an image of an all-round personality when somebody looks at your resume. You want to stand out from all the resumes that the person is getting. So the easiest way to stand out is just create a simple website which has all your portfolio, all your achievements, all your resume, everything dumped there. So that when somebody wants to look at it, they can just click on that link and then go to your website, find everything they want to know about your achievements. One more thing that you can do is create a video cover letter, and this will stand you out immediately. So create like a video cover letter where you go through your achievements and you describe what you've done and achieved and about you, and that instantly helps people to remember you, and they're like, oh, that candidate, yes, I know that. So do something like that. You have to be aware and you have to be very knowledgeable on everything that you have done as far as your projects are concerned. You have to be on top of every information because that is where you want to guide the interview towards. You want the opportunity, you want the interview opportunity to be used for them to ask you questions, but also for you to highlight how you achieved different goals and how you solved different problems where you helped out this team in that way, that person in that way. You want to be on top of your projects and have to have good highlights that you can present in your interview to show them the qualities of leadership. Show them the qualities of go-getter. Show them the qualities of self-initiator. And show them the qualities of a self-learner who will find a solution if you don't know the answer. Another thing, there are no shortcuts. If you have the qualification and if you present it properly, you will get the job. And if you don't get it, then there was something because of which you were not a good fit for it. So move on, try other options, find another job. I hope this helps you guys. Put a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon in the next video. Peace out.